The most expensive trucks ever sold. Trucks aren't supposed to be status symbols. These 5 prove that rule doesn't always apply. 1956 Ford Shelby F-100. This custom Shelby-built F-100 remains one of the most expensive trucks ever sold at auction, going for $450,000 in 2014. Its 5.4-liter V8 makes 550 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed transmission and a heavily altered wheelbase and chassis. The Shelby name alone, tied to the AC Cobra and the original Mustang, was enough to push this Restomod pickup into 6-figure territory. 1957 Chevrolet Cameo Custom. This custom-built Cameo runs a big block V8 pushing 500 horsepower to the wheels through an electric overdrive transmission, all while sticking close to factory specifications. It sold for $159,500, proof that a well-executed Restomod can outprice plenty of brand-new luxury vehicles. 1941 Dodge Power Wagon Full Metal Jacket. Nearly every body panel on this truck is custom or handmade, with a Mercedes leather interior, a custom chassis built around Mustang front suspension, a Ford rear axle, and a 650 horsepower V8 under the hood. It sold for $214,500 in 2016, an enormous sum for a truck built nearly 2 decades before the interstate highway system even existed. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Originally developed as a military-grade off-roader, the 6-wheeled version of Mercedes G-Wagon platform pairs extreme off-road engineering, portal axles, 6-wheel drive, and massive ground clearance with full luxury SUV-level interior trim. It's routinely cited as one of the most expensive production-adjacent pickups in the world, with pricing that can climb well past $500,000 depending on the build. Ram 1500 TRX. Launched to compete directly with the Ford Raptor, the TRX Launch Edition retailed at $92,010, making it, at the time, the most expensive mass-production pickup truck you could buy brand new from a dealership, rather than through a custom builder or auction house. Bottom line. Whether it's a hand-built 1940s Restomod or a factory-built off-road monster, these trucks show that the ceiling on what a pickup can cost has almost nothing to do with what a pickup was originally built to do.